What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn 4 simple ChatGPT prompts to make amazing images, okay? For example, we're gonna turn this image into that image, this image into that image, this image into that image, fancy right? And this image into that amazing image. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, let's go to the prompts, okay? First thing you have to do is go to ChatGPT. Go to the new chat. Click into the plus button. Click on add photo or files. Select the photo, in my case it's gonna be this one, and use this prompt right here, /exploded view, okay? Then you can type enter to start generating the image, and you're going to create an image almost like this one, okay? So we're going to separate the image into layers. Now let's go to the X-ray. This one, the simple way, it's just type /s X-ray, okay? And you're going to be able to see this fancy result right here, okay? If you try on person, I try on my photo, as you can see, it preserves my face, so it's not that nice, but in a second attempt, it would have worked, okay? So, nice as well. Then, third one, this watch right here, okay? You're gonna use this prompt right here, cross-section, okay? So, cross-section. It's gonna turn into a cross-section. We're gonna see what we have behind it, okay? What else we can do? This one, that is one of my favorite movies on the planet, the Back to the Future machine, the DeLorean, and use blueprint. So /blueprint, upload the image, and you're gonna be able to see this fancy result that you can use into some t-shirt, into some graphic design, into some project. Nice, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.